Hello boys and gals, Meta's Instagram company has just released a new app called Threads. And let me tell you, the potential to make a ton of instantaneous profit initially within the first few weeks of the app being out is huge. So please understand that you must tap into this now while the app is still fresh. Otherwise, after some time passes, it will no longer be as easy to make instant profit. So the method I will show you is very easy and instantaneous to do, and you don't need any money to get started. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, within just a few hours of the app being live, I've already managed to earn over $300 in profit just by making a few engagements on the Threads app. Just so you understand the potential on the table here. This is literally the easiest and fastest way to make money online. By the way, let me know in the comments if you agree and if this method works for you. So let's cut off the unnecessary baggage and carry on with the method, yeah? Alright, so first things first. You will need to sign up to ogads.com if you haven't already. OGAds is the best content locking network. It has the highest paying offers and all the best tools. It is unilaterally agreed upon all the highest earners in the industry that OGAds is without a doubt the best network. So make sure you sign up to ogads.com. What we're going to do is we're going to create a landing page with a content locker on it. So when we go in the Threads app, we're going to send people to our landing page, and that landing page will have our content locker. This content locker will ask the visitors to do simple tasks such as downloading a free app or completing a short survey. Not all of them will do it, but just enough will do it that it is incredibly profitable, especially when the traffic is free. So the primary theory of this method for you to understand
is that we can take advantage of the application in her earliest stage and left completely defenseless against our content lockers. Well lads, that about wraps it up for this video, innit?
You can do this sort of thing on any platform, but what's important to understand is that Threads is brand new and for a certain time will be the easiest to do, to pull off and walk away with a massive amount of profit. Like I said earlier, I've already made over $300 by just spending a couple of minutes on the app because the traffic is insane. If you guys want, I'll make some more videos explaining you more in detail what to do once you have an account on OGAds and you need help with what to do exactly. If you need help for ideas, I can help you guys in further videos. But anyways guys, this is absolutely mind-boggling. I can only imagine how much profit I'm going to make from this app over the next couple of weeks. I'm very excited, and I hope some of you can find the motivation to also tap into this fountain of wealth. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or any sorts of thoughts that you have. See you guys in the next video. I'm gonna go grab myself a nice cup of water as I watch my earnings grow.